Alright guys, this is Little Brother from Liquizzes, but you guys know me as Jaden Wisdom, and today I'm doing my home economics homework, and today I'm baking a plain cake, but I'm adding something different to it. Firstly, I have to tell you guys I measured all my ingredients before I started, plus the first thing I did was sanitize my area. You have to keep clean. So to start, I have my sliced papaya, brown sugar, sliced pineapples, and finally my dry mixture. This is the full ingredient list for anyone who needs it. First thing we need to do is cream our fat and our sugar. I have margarine because it's too expensive now and a COVID time. So I'm going to put my butter first. I'm going to beat it a bit, then gradually add my sugar. This process is very long, so I'll get back to you when it's finished. Alright guys, it's now done. As you can see, it is light and fluffy. Now we are going to beat our eggs with our vanilla extract to add to this. So, about 2 cards. Let's put 1 more for the flavor, you know? And let's mix it. Now I'm going to pour my egg mixture in my fat and sugar. And I'm going to lightly fold it. You can mix this by hand, but I'm going to speed up the process by using a mixer. I'm going to sift my dry ingredients. Alright, I'm going to put my fruits in and blend it. This is where I got a bit different from the recipe. Okay, I'm going to gradually add the flour and fold it in. Now I'm going to add my fruit mixture and mix it in as well. After mixing in, add milk and mix it as well. Alright guys, I'll grease with my thing. You have to make sure this greased properly or else the cake not going to come out. Alright guys, I'm going to add the pineapple at the bottom of the tin. Sprinkle some sugar onto the pineapples so it might be going to caramelize. Then add the butter on top of everything. Give it a good shake so that it's even. So now I'm going to put it inside my preheated oven. Alright guys, I took the cake out of the oven and now I'm going to leave it to cool. And after that I'm going to put my syrup on it.
I've been dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek.
Now time for the part you've all been waiting for, the taste test. Look. My opinion, it's real good, but let's ask the rest of my family.
Can I little bit of cake again?
Only piece you are getting now.
Piece of this, then this is no piece. That's good. I could taste really good.
How much you pay for it?
My brother may get discount.
Alright. Now we're going to get the reaction from our mommy how the cake is. Sweet.
It's not bad for your first. Very nice.
So it is.
Excellent. Excellent. Wonderful.
Now we have our daddy eating the cake. Alright, daddy, you ready?
Alright. Alright, let me just taste it. Okay.
No, it's not a pudding, so but you know when you eat it, you take the pudding, squish it, little spoon, you know what a little.
Yeah.
I'm not telling you, like, it's this teacher. You miss out something. You don't make him cook it at school.
How much you gonna pay for the next piece?
Oh, yes, I'll buy the ingredient.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. So this is my cake for my class. Alright, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.